What is up, YouTube? Today we are here at Nippersink Creek, a place I've always wanted to fish but never invested the time or effort to even attempt. Today we're gonna attempt it. So, yep, flotation devices are required for all individuals on a kayak or any boating or floating device. You can get a ticket for that, kind of like when you're driving without a seatbelt, unfortunately. So it's very shallow here, but then we go off into the creek, Nippersink Creek over there. So I got my kayak already down there. It's one of those Vern Wolf type situations where I'm gonna have to take my truck, go park it in the parking lot, walk all the way back over here, and then we'll be able to go and launch our kayak. So stay tuned for some epic action. I don't know what to expect, but I'm ready for carp, I'm ready for panfish, I'm ready for smallmouth. The ideal is I'm trying to get out here and get my smallmouth fix in. So ideally, I can come out here and catch some smallmouth bass. That is the main plan. So stay tuned as we go park the beast and we get at it. All right, guys. So first thing is first, have to go park the Iron Horse here. Nice little trail you drive through. Oh, look at that. There's a kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. Kitty cat just ran across the road. Interesting. Nice big old black cat. Hopefully that's a good omen for us. But yeah, we gotta go all the way down here. Wow. Wow. Gotta go all the way over here to park just so we can go and fish. So we're gonna do that and then we'll tune back in once we get to the spot. A beautiful natural area that they have here. You drive that way to the right and you do a roundabout and you come out here. All right, guys. Here we go. I just walked up. I wasn't filming, but I just walked up to two dudes trying to steal my crap. Not steal it, but they thought it was just laying there on the ground. I thought that was funny. But yeah, they had my life vest and my seat in their hand. They're like, "Is this yours?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then they gave it to me and took off. So I thought that was funny. But we're here, guys. Very shallow here, but a lot of fish swimming around. A lot of little fish swimming around right here. I don't know what it looks like out here. Again, first time ever here. Hopes of smallmouth, but we'll see what happens. I don't know where to go, right or left. I think I want to go right. I can't see what kind of fish these are. They may be chubs. Look at, there's a pier over there along that wall. That's interesting. All right, we're getting deeper, that's for sure. So yeah, we'll flow through and see. I'm not sure what's in here. It's not that deep. Oh, that was a yellow perch. That's crazy. That was a yellow perch, guys. Little bluegill. That's nice.
You know you're in the deepest water there, right?
No, I did not. This is my first time out.
Right around the corner, that's how like
Yeah, I was looking at the bank. You could see how it's digged in. I figured that much, but I wasn't sure.
it's the deepest spot between the launch and going down that way.
Yeah, well, this is as far as I'm going, so that's a good heads up. Thank you for that. bread out there just because. We're gonna leave that on the float. Alright, toss that over. I'm just gonna let it sit. That was a big hit right now on my bread. That was another good hit on my bread. Guys, I might get some of my bread. I got that float going right there. It seemed like something was definitely hitting my bread, but it stopped. If it hits again, I think I'm gonna slip the hook on it. Whoa. Where'd it go, guys? I got whatever was sitting in my bread. Kitty cat. Nice healthy kitty cat here. On the bread. And I was literally trolling that behind me. That's awesome. Get this hook out. Look at that. Healthy cat. Look at that, guys. Healthy channel cat. Nippersink Creek right here. We caught a perch that fell off, a bluegill. Now we got this channel cat on bread. So the perch and the bluegill. The perch came on a TRD. Bluegill came on a small swim jig, and the catfish came on bread that we were trolling on a float, weightless bread. So interesting. Never know what you're gonna catch in nature's highway. Nippersink Creek out here today. So we'll keep going. Put the bread back out there. Saved, guys. Some kind of bee. Hornet? Wasp? And now we got him resting at the tip of our kayak while he dries off. That guy took a dunk like nobody's business. Out here on Nippersink Creek. Didn't realize there were so many properties out here when we first came. The sun is slowly setting there. There we go. I knew it was something different. So this is a white bass. Look at that. Another different species. Very cool. Going in for the release. Oh. Looks like I might have a taker on our bread here. We'll see. Yep, there it is. There it is, guys. See it firsthand on this micro spin, and it appears to be a small channel catfish. Got that hook in there. Get it right back out. Small channel cat, beautiful fish. So we're gonna grab some more bread, put it right on the hook, just the white of the bread, none of the brown. Squeeze it around as hard as you can. Leave just a little indent, so you squeeze it around and then you push it in just above the tip of the hook. Then you wet it, and it's sealed, ready to go. We have it set about 1.5 feet, weightless, and I'm just trolling it behind me. Putting it in there, trolling it behind me. There's the float, and while I'm doing the other types of fishing, and that's catching the kitty cats. Just the white bread. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Oh, there we go, guys. This feels like a small one. Oh, it is a small one, guys. Wait, is it? Nope, it's a small largemouth. Small largemouth. Nice. And very nice. Little fun creek action today. Don't regret my decision. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for us out here today in Nippersink Creek. You saw us catch multiple different species, which was awesome. Nice creek excursion. It's nice to be back in a little narrow pathway. I've been out in a lot of open areas lately, so it's good. First time ever out here, and we did well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys next week on another geofishing exclusive. Peace.